What is going on, guys? Scott here. We're back at Ashton Auto Group and we're making a video tonight, and it's actually not a fun video to make for you, but we are going to keep you in on the loop of what is actually going on and what has happened very recently to my baby here, the FBO 50. You're probably asking why it's under a car cover right now, and it's because she's not in great shape. Just recently she was actually involved in an accident, a pretty good accident to be more specific, and the front of the car is totally fine. The rear of the car is where there's a good amount of damage. So the whole right rear of the car is not in good shape at all. I was able to limp it here to Jeff's, get in touch with him and park it here overnight, get it covered so it's locked away and safe. The damage is really grave in the back end of the car. It's so depressing to see this. It's an absolutely crappy situation to be in right now. But we're gonna walk around the back and I'll show you some of the damage. It's pretty significant, so let's go check it out. So as you can see, the entire right quarter of the car is just completely wrecked. It goes pretty deep. The subframe deep within the bumper and inside is completely pushed in. Get open here for the trunk. The trunk's out of alignment. All this bodywork in here is completely pushed in. Let me get a light in here for you. So all this bodywork in here is completely pushed in. There's actually a hole down at the bottom where you can see through the wheel well. A couple things up towards the rear seats that are out of alignment. And the damage spreads through the car. So lovely Chinese wheel, but pretty much this is from a curb. And as it broke, it got pushed up into the wheel well and completely bent the frame behind the wheel and in front of the wheel well. Passenger door is welded shut. I cannot open it. So that is jammed shut. And the door is also a little damaged there, a couple wrinkles and creases. But yeah, guys, it's not looking good at all. This is a pretty expensive fix. Taillight still works though. So we are meeting with insurance tomorrow. We're going to cover a couple things with the car. It is in absolutely rough shape, and just wanted to show you guys some of this damage, and I will update you as we move forward. So like I said, this damage is absolutely significant, and it's just not looking good. So we're gonna button it up tonight, and I will get in touch with you after I talk to some insurance people, and we're gonna figure out a course of action and figure out what's next for the FBO GT. Okay guys, we just recorded those clips, and I wanted to give you an update on the status of everything and how things are going. Chilling over here at the spot with Andrew, just sort of hanging out. First things first, really, just wanted to clear up a couple things before things start getting crazy. You know, everybody going in the comment section saying this, saying that, Mustang this, Mustang that. First things first, I'm fine, I'm uninjured, everything's all right. You know, besides the car being damaged, just wanted to go through and talk to you guys one-on-one about what's really happening and really where we go from here. So right now the car is in the hands of my insurance company. Everything is all right there. You know, we've talked. I'm really not going to go into crazy detail on that side of things. You know, it is what it is. The car was in an accident, and it stinks, but it's life. You know, granted, we've put so much work into that car, and it's my baby. It's my pride and joy. When you have things that you really care about that are also your daily driver, you find yourself in situations sometimes where an accident can happen, and in that case it happened to me. So, you know, we're all unlucky at times, and really I'm just fortunate that I'm unhurt and everything is okay on that side of things. I know some people are still going to comment Mustang jokes, Mustang stereotypes, but the fact of the matter is that stuff all comes down to drivers doing stupid things in, you know, situations that are going to hurt people and are just not appropriate at the time, and that really wasn't the case here. So I'm just going to say this right now to you guys who are thinking about just making comments about, oh, Mustang joke this, it's a Mustang, it crashed, you know, it had to happen to a Mustang, only a Mustang could have this happen to it. You know, don't do that. I'm a real person. This is something that happens to real people like you and me every day, and it's life. And if you're gonna make assumptions and guess what may have happened or what went down, don't. This is a normal accident that happens to anybody, like I said. and it'd be way out of place and out of line for somebody in the comments to just make an assumption and take liberties on their own because they're just behind a keyboard. So I ask you, don't do that. You're gonna make yourself look bad. All I ask personally is for you to respect that. It's pretty important and it's the mature thing to do. So as things go on and progress, I'm gonna keep you guys updated as I hear things. Like I said, the car is in the hands of my insurance company now, and really they have the power to total it out or decide if it's fixable. And granted, I would love for it to be fixed, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I am gonna be making regular videos to update you guys on the progress of this. Like I said, it stinks, but I'm gonna keep you in the loop, and I'll be honest and straight up about what's happening with the car and really what's next. I appreciate the support from all you guys already. It really is unfortunate news. We will keep you updated as time goes on, and we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Stay tuned. Talk to you later.